Here we go, guys.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern York County and upstate South Carolina until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of York, or near McConnell, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees.
Hey, Dad.
Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Fort Mill, Tecotet, Newport, Leslie, McConnell, Catawba, Sharon, York, and Lake Wiley. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: York, South Carolina. The National Weather Service in Greenville,